Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about how to increase engagement if you are an Infusionsoft user and you purchase the LifterLMS Infusionsoft extension. The LifterLMS Infusionsoft extension allows you to apply tags based on user behavior within the courses and within the system, which can be very powerful for people who are Infusionsoft users. If you're not an Infusionsoft user and don't plan to be, don't worry about it. You can do a lot of things with just LifterLMS by yourself, but if you are an avid Infusionsoft user, let me show you what's possible. So the first thing you're going to do is head on over to the marketplace and purchase a copy of the Infusionsoft extension. So you can pick that up at LifterLMS.com. Now I'm going to jump on over to our demo here, and on our install, if you go to LifterLMS settings and integrations, after you upload the LifterLMS Infusionsoft plugin, just like any other plugin, you're going to have a new integration option called Infusionsoft here. So all you need to do is enter your app name, your API key, and your activation key. And you can get that from Infusionsoft. If you have trouble finding that, contact their support and they'll get you hooked up. Also, check out our Infusionsoft documentation to show you what you need to do to get going. So once we've got that active, that allows LifterLMS to talk to your Infusionsoft account. So what we want to do next is we want to look at engagements. Now this is where the real power of Infusionsoft comes in. If you're familiar with Infusionsoft, you're used to applying tags for various things. So what you can do is I'm going to add an engagement here, and we have a new engagement type, which is add Infusionsoft tag, and also another one, remove Infusionsoft tag. So that's our engagement type. We want to add Infusionsoft tag, and then we can just pick a tag from our tags in Infusionsoft. And then what we want to do is we could trigger it immediately, or we could have a delay. I'm just going to put a 0 in there to trigger it immediately. And then this is the really cool part. You can look at the event trigger. So what event within the learning management system is going to trigger this tag being applied or removed if we selected that option. So in this example, we're going to choose the event trigger of course completed. And then I'm going to select this course. So this is a pretty classic thing you can do, is where when somebody finishes a course, you may want to apply a tag that sends them information about how to go further in their learning process, or congratulate them, or notify them of another course they might be interested in. And if you're an Infusionsoft user, you know all the different things you can do based on that tag being applied with the completion of the course automatically. So that's a quick tour of how you can use Infusionsoft with LifterLMS engagements. In another video, we're going to talk about how to use their payment system with LifterLMS.